I finally got the code working. This is what it looks like. I couldn't use a plane, I had to use a cube, or else if I used a plane it would have been like wouldn't show up. But I got it to work, finally. I don't ever remember actually being able to go through them, but still, I got the code to work. See, looks at me from all angles. Okay, now I'm gonna look for something else. That horror game thing is just over now. Okay. How to make a NPC talk. Unity. Dialogue system. 33 minutes. Okay. So. Okay, I'm closed. Alright. So. Okay, now. Let's make an empty game object. Here. In front of the man. Okay, what do I do now? Okay, I'm gonna move you back over there. Canvas. Oh. Okay. 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 Look good to me. Here, move down. Okay, now. Okay, now, how does one add text? Oh. You know what? I got a better idea. How about we don't do this? Okay. What we do is this. Ready? This is gonna be sick. We get an object. 3D text, baby. We flip it around. 180. 180. 0.5. 0.5. 0.5. There we go. Be right in front of him. one sec. Okay. Color black so you can actually even see it. There we go. Arial. Yeah. Oh, baby. Okay, let's see what else. And finally, finally we can add the building. The moment you all have been waiting for. The building. The moment I'm not that excited. Okay, we gotta make this 0.2. No wait, not 0.2, it's 0.02. Just make it big. Remember, this place only had a bathroom. That was the place you're supposed to go to. Even though it was an airport, the only place was a bathroom. So yes. Alright. Okay, that was the wrong thing, but that's probably wrong. Yeah. Here, there we go. Okay. Now this needs a grid. Okay, let's fix that texture. 4. 15. That's probably 1. Yeah, just 1. Oh, there we go. No, wait. How do I change the texture again? I'm trying to remember how to do this. It's like Box Collider. This is the render. Oh wait, it's right here. Yeah, it's right here. Non-metallic. Ooh, we should probably 15. 15 by 15. Yes. Okay, now cube. Good. Perfect. Alright. Just hope to God they don't fall. Alright. Go on the other side. Paste again. Just thicken. Because the side of the building does not exist. 90. Wrong way. 90. This could be, you know, put together. Okay. This also needs a roof. $90. Oh, $90. I broken it. Okay, nice. So, no, this one's not going to be with you. So I can actually, you know, properly do this. 90. Dude, my favorite Markiplier YouTuber is going to play this. Like Markiplier, Green Markiplier, and Swedish Markiplier. They're all going to play it. Trust me. All the Markiplier. Alright, let's see how this looks out in the game. Inside. And then, wow. I did a damn good job. Yeah, look at that. Alright. Okay. Now, go inside. Oh, you know, no, not yet, not yet. I need to copy and paste some of these guys. All around. So just scatter them. I need to copy and paste those. I need you to go inside the building. You're gonna need to be in the bathroom. Yeah. There we go. Now, let's test it. Okay. I like a restroom sign. Yeah, restroom sign. Hey, huh? I can buy a restroom sign. If I buy one, I'm gonna put it on the outside of my door. Give me this. Sure. Oh, never mind. Give me this one. Please, Menards. Thank you for being a JPEG. Look at this. It's all just unnamed. I need it. Wait. I want this to be its own thing. Here. Here. Yeah. Sure. I'm gonna have to figure out how to like make a trigger. Okay, there we go. No. I have a cube saved. Okay, so you guys. This time you need to be the man. There we go. Oh. You know, I just remembered how spooky this thing is. I just remembered. There should also be like a guy like right outside of it. Did I press B? What did B do? Boo! Copy paste, sure. You need to be man. You need to be guy. You need to be like way in the corner. So, okay, now let's play it. See how this turns out. See, they all look at you. I think I did a damn good job with the bug fixing. Can't go through the wall? Nope. If you go in here, yep. You walk close. That is scary. I'm not joking. That is spooky. Like, that shit would scare the fuck. Okay. Okay, now I need to name this so I don't lose it. Man. That's the only one that's getting named. Okay, now, if I remember correctly, I think I know how to add triggers. By the way, I want to test something. Area light. What if I turn this off? What does it look like? Not that scary. Doesn't look too scary. So, I'm going to need a second area light. So, create area light. It's its own thing. Now this area light, it will do is it'll darken everything. By the way, this is supposed to be this. Let's fight this one. This one's turned off. This one's the only one left. Find a. Okay, how would I make this one? Oh, like that. Alright, so I need to move that up here. Up here. Ooh. Now, when you activate this, you know that you're fucked. It is way too. Ooh, that is scary. That. Ooh. Okay. Dude, I'm actually getting scared by this. I'm not joking. I'm getting scared by it. And I'm making it. You know it's effective when the game developer is getting scared by it, dude. Do you know what I just realized? I'm gonna have to. Can I group all these guys together real quick? Can I group all the friends together? They're all under plane. Except for you, you're a different plane. So can I, what if I group all these guys? Like every single one of them. What if I group them all together? That's including man. Like, what if I do that? Do they all just follow me? Or does it like, fuck you? Does it go suck? Oh yeah, that that could be a problem. Okay, so I can't do that. That just made this a little bit harder. So, okay, the second I activate the trigger that's in there, like, because I'm thinking about adding a trigger in here. The second that this trigger is added, press, I'm gonna have to make all these like invisible. Like, I'm gonna have to like despawn them. Oh, that just made this harder. Okay, so how am I gonna do this? By the way, I'm gonna switch over to the funny light again. Please, thank you. Okay, I want to be happy. I want to be in the silly world. It's 11. Okay, so how would I do this? I need like a trigger box. How do I hit a trigger? You know what? Like a box. When you go in, triggers. And I think I exactly know how to make that. So, you know what, actually. Hold on, is there a tutorial on how to make a trigger area? How to make a trigger area. In Unity. How to make a trigger area. Triggers. You know what? I actually got a really cool idea with this guy. So maybe text. What's that? Nobody's gonna know it says me. Okay, make it black so you can actually see it. There we go. So if you were over here, you'd see it through the walls. I swear to God, if I can see it through the walls, and I just never noticed. Oh, me mad. Me mad. You can see it through the walls. It's not good. How would I make it so you can't? Damn. You can see it through the walls. No. Yeah, just don't have it. Somebody will be like all the way over there. They'll walk inside. This is where the trigger box should be. Like, the second they walk inside, this is where the trigger box is. And then he disappears. You seen how much shit I put in this? So, this text would also have to go away. Which one is this guy playing? Just add the text to the plane. What is event system? Okay, can I get rid of this? Okay, I just got rid of event system. I don't know what that did. What if I attach the text to plane? Okay, then if I do that, he speaks gibberish. Alright, so that actually has to... That is upsetting how I can't do most of this stuff. Yeah. Now, I'm almost done. I just need to add triggers, then the jump scare. So... So what I need to do... Because I'm only changing out a few things. You know what, actually, I need to make copies of everybody. This one will have a different... Yeah, everybody needs to be copied, pasted to have the scary texture. Already get rid of this one now. Wouldn't change it. Did I just mess them all up? Yes. Okay. Okay. Number 6 has to have this texture. Number 5 has this. So already 6. Yes. Okay. I'm making this so difficult for myself. Paste. At the end, it's going to be worth it. There we go. Now let's make sure they don't show up in game. Good. Okay. Good. Alright. Now. Alright. What I need to do is I need to add a trigger here. Okay. I'm almost done. Mm-hmm. Wall number 8. Is trigger. Activate trigger. Ooh. Replace. So, if I can do this correctly, right? So what it'll do, it'll deactivate. Okay, so if I'm correct, I need to run over there real quick. If I did everything correct, this should turn out the lights. That's all I wanted to do right now. And I ran face first into it. It's still is trigger. Maybe now I can walk through it instead of ramming my face into it. Gotta run though. Dude, that would be. Oh, that is evil. That is spooky as hell, dude. Oh, am I gonna have to add multiple? Deactivate. Deactivate man real quick. We need to deactivate man. Deactivate man. Yeah. Now if I walk in, you should be gone. Dude, this would be fucking like scary as like an actual game though. Speed run, baby. Hey guys, look, I sped run my own game. There. Deactivate man. Deactivate that 3D text. That's a big one that needs to be deactivated. 3D text. Main camera, no. New text. I think that's it. What is new text? Yeah, that's it. Okay. This huge's gonna be getting rid of all that stuff. Alright. And activate. Okay, I'm gonna take a long time doing this. There's one plane I need to avoid though. That plane is the bathroom sign. That plane is just called plane. There's a plane up here. I also want to move down here. You know, I'm renaming this to bathroom sign. Bathroom sign. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now I can start. Dude, this would be so scary if it was real though. Like a real game. Deactivate, deactivate. Alright, so I need to do plane. Can I just like do multiple? No. Deactivate plane. Yep. Deactivate plane. Deactivate plane 1. Plane 2, then 4, then 2, then 5. 5? Hold on, wait. Yeah. Hold on, do I just have a duplicate? Yeah. Hold on, I'm deleting that plane. There is no plane 5. Okay. I need to deactivate plane 4. 4, right? Where's that one? And 2 is over there, so now I bet there's an easier way, but I'm just doing it. Alright, so now if I do this, gotta test it one more time. Alright. Now we get to activate plane 3. Plane 6. Plane 7. And plane 8. There we go. Now, by the way, these are all going to be uncut. Like, there's no, by the way, there's not going to be a single piece of editing besides putting 2 videos together, and that's it, just for like a 2-hour special for it. And oh my god, dude, it isn't normal to get scared by your own game. All right. Oh yeah. It also needs to activate. Needs to activate the other area light. Right. This one. If I'm correct. Now, what it should do is scary dark mode. Right? I don't think. Hold on. I think I told. Like, what does this one look like? dark. If I remember correctly, this is what this one should look. Yeah, like really dark. Hold on, let me edit dark mode real quick. I need to rotate this time more. Wrong way, by the way. There we go. Now it's like really dark mode. Yeah, now it's rename dark mode. Dark mode. So we can't have that yet. So now, go to Q. The trigger that triggers it all. Did I just... Yeah, it's supposed to activate dark mode. So what this is supposed to do is actually activate dark mode. So now we'll actually be able to see that in effect. Yep. Still a little shiny though. Well, that's because I didn't like edit dark mode that much. Yeah, I don't really know what to do about that though. Okay, now I have a chasing entity with a jump scare. How to chase entity in make a chasing and enemy follow the player. Because there needs to be.
Today I'm going to show you how to create enemy AI that follows your player around the screen.
Can I just... What? That's complicated. How to make a chasing entity with jump scare. How to create a jump scare. Oh, you know, this actually might be a little helpful. How to make a jump scare.
Hello there, I'm Jimmy Vegas, and in this mini Unity tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a jump scare for your game. Now a jump scare comes in 3 stages. Firstly, you have the basic scene where your environment is set.
I like making an oh, you know what? Now we add it. There we go. What we need now is another cube. Cube. Now what we do, this one, by the way, we need to get rid of the looks, its trigger. What this will do is, let's be bigger, that's what it needs to do. And short through the walls. So, about this, okay, so I need to rename this to Trigger. Trigger, there you go. This cube, because this will normally be deactivated, so you can't touch it. this cube, what it'll do is, with its 5,000 activate triggers, this one will activate this trigger. It'll activate trigger. Through it, it'll activate this trigger, so when you go back, then what this trigger will activate is something that doesn't exist yet. What it'll do is, you'll be like right here. You'll be right here. And then, just out of nowhere, a face will come flying towards you. That's my idea. But this time I don't have to use a cube for that. I can actually use a plane. I can create a plane. Plane. Did it change the size? Don't. This thing's big enough. Alright, so let's put it at 0, 0. I will have to make an animation for this though. That's the problem. There. Should probably use one. Okay, I have just messed up 3 things. I'm just gonna do -90 there. Okay. Now. Zero point 0.05. 0.05. Nine. Just 5. Then 5. Maybe this is actually too big. So 3. Like 3 might be good. Alright. Now we put scary face. It's upside down. 180. Just 90. There we go. Yeah. Now, what I can do to this okay. Alright, so what I want to do now is put it all the way back here. Then we have an animation. Yes. And then frame 1. Record it. Frame 1. Four. I feel like that's actually too slow. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. 0. Okay. Stop that. Just make it a little bit, smoother. There we go. Now, what it'll do And what'll happen is, hold on, let me see. How does this work specifically? So, does it play it once or does it loop? That's what I need to know. Does it play once or does it loop? Since it's constantly doing the animation, so it loops. Can I make it so it doesn't loop? Add an event. Remember this trigger. Jump. Activate trigger. Will do. Activate jump. I need to find it real quick. Jump. Okay, I'm really curious how this might work, so. Okay, let's see. Will this work perfectly? Will it work not? Maybe. Let's see. So, using our speedrun tactics, trigger doesn't exist. Good. Go in here, spooky, and then you try to leave. Boo! Okay. Then it loops. Okay, can I make it so it doesn't loop? What if I do samples 1? Okay. Yeah, what if I do? Can I make it so it doesn't repeat? Samples. Samples. Can I just do 1? Oh, you know what? No, I can't. Okay. So. Always animate. I feel like. How to make an animation play once? I need to look that up. How to once in Unity. Yeah, I need to look that up. Come back. I just want to know how to make it so it doesn't repeat. Animation, yes, this is what I need. Okay, I don't think this is teaching me anything. But I got a better idea. After that, after it's done, just welcome to. I think it's stay there. Like it won't move. Just keep it there for 1 minute. That'll give it enough time because I want the game to crash whenever this happens. Oh yeah, I gotta make sure. Yep, then trigger, go in here, boo. Go back. Now I should straight up just boo! And then it stops because it's like, what, it's like 10 seconds. Now, further. Bring. What did you not hear about further? This is all seconds, by the way, so. There we go. Okay, now. Just one singular animation over here. There we go. Now, that should be playing forever. I think I may or may not. Don't forget, this is like the world's shittiest music playing in the background. Ah! Okay, I messed something. Add key. Here we go. Add key. The key's just there. There we go. Perfect. So now, let's test it out one more time. There's definitely going to be speedruns of this game. Boo! Did you get scared? Is it scary? I want the game to crash, though. How to make a Unity game crash? How to make a Unity game crash? Crash Bandicoot. Crash fix. Unity crash project. Like Crash Bandicoot. No, I just want to. What I should do is I should attach a trigger to it, and that trigger will crash the game. How to make a Unity game crash by itself. How to intentionally crash Unity. Okay. So now, I need to add music. So, this was the normal music, need to re-add it. Now, this cube, need to get rid of normal. By the way, I need to add the other songs. I can't believe it, I actually made a game. A really scary, very scary game. Also need to add scary. Scary. No! Don't make this one scary. Make this one normal. Where's normal? Normal. Yeah. Right. How did I add this earlier? Oh, you know what? I just dragged it, didn't I? Okay. What do you attached? Where's scary? Okay. Just do that. There is no audio source. Just. Scary needs to be turned off. This trigger. Activate. This one will activate run. This cube. Deactivate. Deactivate normal. While activating scary. Scary. trigger activates run while deactivating scary. Alright, deactivate scary. Here we go. So, should have this music normally. Dude, that's scary. Hold on. Trigger. Deactivate scary. Wait. Okay, you need to be turned down, by the way. Normal. So it's that percent. I don't know what that percent is. It needs to be lower anyway. Like that. Hold on, let me see. What is this at? Yeah, that's perfect. Now scary. You. She said one more. Alright, so if I were to listen to this correctly. Ah! Hold on, I need to put scary at loop. I need loop scary. There you go. I've done it. I need this text. Copy paste up. Let's put this with normal. This with new text. So when new text turns off, oh, it turns off. So I'm correct. Wow. Yeah, perfect. You know what I think is incorrect though? This trigger. I feel like this trigger needs to be, you know, more closer to him so you know like what he looks like exactly. Just move him closer. This is not exactly what I had in my dream. Just so you know, like this was more detailed. There was actually stalls and a mirror. Like all the characters are saying, this is a playable version of my dream. So can I just... There we go. So we gotta make it large. Okay, now you actually get a better look at him. If I did this correctly. If I did this correctly, yeah, you get to have a better look at him. And then, boom. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate the running sound effect. Alright. It's done. save our project. Save it. Let's try. Okay, build settings. This is for PC, Windows, 64-bit. Yes. To Xbox One. What if I release this on fucking PlayStation 4? Dude, what if I made this for PS4? It's Universal Windows. Okay. Let's build it. My dream, but it's playable. But it's playable. Dude, if I made my dream, dude. Okay. I'm really hoping this works. I will release the soundtrack though. The soundtrack for this game will definitely be released, but still, I made a game. I made a game. I made a game. Oh God. I can't wait to try this out. I guess I can close out all this stuff though. There it is, the files for it. The files are now right there. Unloading? You have to unload? Alright. I've made game. It's good, it's good. It's good, this game. But it's playable data. Alright. Fun fact. Yes, Windows. Okay, how do I play though? Player settings. Is it player settings? Player settings. Facebook. Dude, what if I had this game on Facebook? Okay, so there's only data though. There's no exe file. Okay, how to export a Unity game project as exe? How do I export a finished game? Install create software. Go to file, build settings. Okay, so here we go. File, build settings, player settings. Okay, I can't really do player settings. Does it let me player setting? I have worked hard on this game, and you're not going to let me make it playable. My playable dream. I'm going to send this to my cousin. I'm going to send it to my friend. Oh, there's the settings. Okay, so here we go. Alright, so what we're going to do. Build settings. Player settings. Okay, here we go. Company name. Product name. My dream. Company name. Company name is Cool Man. 255. Default icon. You know what the icon's gonna be? It's gonna be What should the icon be? It should be man. Should we make it man? Let's make it man, dude. Let's make it man. You get a better look at him. Default cursor? No. Cursor hotspot? No. Okay. There we go. Cool, cool, man. There's no cursor. Okay, so we just build. Play. Yes. I will be releasing this game. And its soundtrack, dude. By another process. What? What do you mean being used by another process? Is it still playable though? It's being used by another process. Do not do ultra, do medium. Okay, let's see if it works at least. Gotta cross his fingers. Whoa. This is it! My game, it's real! Dude! Oh my god, dude, it's playable. There he is! Oh, oh, oh. Scary, scary! Alt F4 to get out of the game. The game works, by the way. Holy shit, the game works. Dude, I need it. Hold on, I'm actually gonna record this on Instagram, dude. Y'all get to see my pain and suffering trying to get this game to work. But now, I got it to work, dude! Alright, I'm gonna actually record this. Can I live stream? Well, I don't remember how to live stream on Instagram. How do I live stream? What was the live stream button on Instagram? Live. There we go. Check the connection. Oh, good. You are now live. Hey gamers and gamettes. By the way, I'm also recording. I'm recording as well. Yeah. But today I made a game. So I was talking to one of my friends. I was like, I should make a game based on like one of the games that are in my dreams. So I was like, I'm gonna do that. Until I realized, no, never mind, I'm not gonna do that. I said, I'm just gonna make a soundtrack, I'm not gonna make a game. Well, I gave up and made a game. Now, this is not exactly true to my dream. There was more detail in it, but oh god. But yeah, there's way more in the actual dream. Also Alt F4 to exit the game, go inside. But yeah, I made a game. There's a run button, there's a jump button. Like in my actual dream, there was like a fence around there, and like you didn't have to go through that, but there was like a fence around that. There's like an actual airport thing here. No, all I added was the bathroom. But you can go into the bathroom, and there's no stalls, there's no mirror, but there's that. There's that. So, what you do, because in the original dream, he was hiding in one of the stalls, but since I was like, nah, that's too complicated, I don't know how to make doors work. I was just like, there you go, he's right there. You walk close to him, music changes, it gets dark, it gets really spooky. All the characters change too. Look at that. That's scary now, isn't it? And now, right? And then you're expected to go back outside, and then boom. And then the kid gets upset, so he bangs the ukulele. And then there's this. And after a few minutes, the animation repeats. And don't forget, Alt F4 is to exit the game. I've made a game. Am I cool now? Yes, I want to end. I can't download it. I made a game. Follow me on Instagram, by the way. Do it. My name is Nintendo_Game Boy_player. Follow me on Instagram. Do it. Do it. Do it right now. This is a robbery. I think I actually. Hold on. This is a robbery. This is a robbery. Get down. Alright. I'm gonna upload this. Two parts. I'm gonna upload this, and it's gonna be my pain and struggling. It's not gonna be cut. There's no highlights. If you want to highlight, you can do it yourself. Just like one of the songs I made, that mashup on Not a Speedrunner, which I submitted to him. Hold on, I gotta show you this amazing artwork, dude. Hold on. Before I even continue, what is this? Before I even continue, I need to show you this amazing artwork. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If you want a video, you can do it yourself. Go down here, album, video game. Where's originals? Originals. Here you go. Open that up. Ignore all that. That's Not a Speedrunner related stuff. Because I work with Not a Speedrunner. Wow, there's a Not a Speedrunner iceberg. I wonder who made it. Oh. Not a Speedrunner's coworker. Alright. That sort of breaks the purpose now, doesn't it? This is a robbery, by the way. I'm gonna make one highlight, and it's literally just gonna be, this is a robbery. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about the if you want a highlights video, you can do it yourself. There is no video because you are not epic. And on Not a Speedrunner, if you go to it, fuck you, I'm not making another video for these matchups. If you like the video so much, why don't you do it yourself, nerd? I thought that was a funny joke. If you like the video so much, why don't you make it yourself? See the pain I have to go through making them. I'm not doing it again. And like I'm saying, if you want a highlights video, if you want a highlights video, you can do it yourself, nerd.